Well, I'm Yvette Allan.
And I'm Clare Boland.
I'm a business psychologist.
And I'm a professional coach.
And between us we have over 35 years experience working in leadership development, coaching and career development.
So we work with companies from small startups to big international conglomerates like Airbus, United Nations and consultancy firms.
So we're here to offer a unique collection of workshops specially for TSE, and it's to really help students with their overall professional development and to be ahead of the game when applying for internships and jobs further along in their career.
So this is why we've chosen stress management as one of the workshops, because stress is such a big concept that often people have real difficulty in actually understanding what it is, what's stressing them and how to manage that stress.
We're put under huge amounts of stress both at university and in the workplace, and so we put pressure on ourselves, and it's really to help you to manage that and use it to be as productive as possible.
Well, salary negotiation can feel really daunting, and a lot of students particularly feel uncomfortable with the idea of negotiating a salary. But studies show that those students who do negotiate at the beginning of their career can earn up to $500,000 more throughout their working life.
We give you hints and tips on how to manage not just the salary but also benefits that you can be offered, both for an internship and then later on in your career. So I've had 20 years experience really assessing people at all levels, so from graduates right up to CEO and board members of different companies, big consultancy companies in all different places in the world, and so it's really to help you prepare for that.
And learn to stand out from the crowd and show your uniqueness.
We really know what employers are looking for and how you can demonstrate those things.
So our last workshop is conflict management. Conflict is something that we often don't know how to handle and can make us feel very, very uncomfortable. This can mean that we may potentially miss out on opportunities at work and also mishandle and misread certain situations.
Conflict can lead to very high absenteeism in the workplace because it puts us under undue stress. So during the workshop we help you to understand your own conflict style so you can better interact with both team members or one-to-one, and so it'll help you be as productive as possible.
So if you'd like to get an edge on the competition and improve and enhance your own personal and professional development,
please sign up with TSE Careers, and we really look forward to welcoming you to our interactive workshops.